Hang on, slow down. You can talk to me while you walk to me. What are we doing?
We're going to fit a Multirail.
We've already done loads of videos on that. Why are we doing another one?
Because these ones are black.
Oh, why did we make them black?
Because our souls are black.
Darkness. A million people have asked about this and we finally gave in.
These are black Multirails, Andy?
Well, the Multirail's in there.
Boys open stuff so badly, don't they? Just let me in.
Get in there.
That's what always bollocks me. Like if I open up like a bag of rice.
Yeah.
You know, it's got like the sticky bit. I just go, yeah. Actually, she get the scissors out, cut it open, and then it's got that sticky flappy bit.
Don't do this.
She looks at me like I should be I'm an idiot. Holy moly. Ooh.
Really nice.
Come on, camera, focus. Alrighty. What else do we need?
End caps.
Where are they?
Sticker. We haven't really watched this.
Oh shit.
Break open the pack. Duh. The bones put it all the way around on the bench.
What are we looking for here as far as like fitment?
We're looking for, we like to leave a nice little gap to this swage.
How many mil?
5? It's not quite a centimetre.
Okay.
And then a decent space either end for your end caps. Usually 4 to 11 mil. That's what we measure.
4 Oliver's fingers and one of his dodgy thumbs that got shut in the door when he was a kid. Is that the same at the front? An Oliver Shaka. It's not an exact science, is it? But basically,
I
you want.
usually use this line here, as long as it's like an inch or two that way of that crease.
This.
Yeah.
All right. We got 2 at the front to hold it down. Shrunk. These don't come pre-bent, but they form around the curvature of the van really well when you start to do it, which is about to happen. Do you want me to give you a screw and a drill?
Yeah.
God, I'm helpful. Do you want 1 or 2? Do you want it loaded?
Yeah.
This is quite a nice mod. Excuse my grubby fingernails, it's pretty gross. There's some pretty important things here. This is probably the most important step, isn't it? Is it not?
The first.
This new camera is pretty good, but it's quite focusy.
Don't go crazy.
I guess that's the key. Don't wheel spin it, right?
Yeah.
I think traditionally, if you're screwing into wood, you have a tendency to just go like, "Wah!" and just give it a bit extra so your screw goes into the wood. Not what you want here.
No.
The exact opposite, in fact. Because if you do that, your thread just smashes a bigger hole and then it'll fall off.
And then Just try.
Just try and be legends.
Really try.
We just are. What are you up to now? You're making sure your swage line is perfect.
Just eyeballing this line before I put the next screw in, because you don't want it wobbly.
It's best to eyeball this rather than get your tape measure out, by the way, because that's, to be fair, what you're going to be seeing when you're looking at it. Why have you gone from the middle towards the outsides?
So it bends with the curve of the van.
So you start pulling down on it now, hey?
Yeah. Just a bit. Just to get that.
If you don't start pulling down on it, then by the time you get to those 2 end ones, you're sort of...
Like that. You won't have enough bend. skinned.
One more time.
It's double skinned here.
Sorry, I didn't press play. So it just takes a bit more time to cut.
Yeah, so don't be afraid to give it another. The self-cutting bit will stop once it hits the second skin, but you need to go through again.
Okay, I'm with you.
So if it,
I pick up what you're putting down.
if it stops early,
That's why.
that's why. Don't be afraid.
And now you're gonna give this a bit more hell.
Bit more bends.
Nice. Can you do the same for the whole way down here?
Go down the other end, do the same thing.
See, it's like way off here. You can go. That's kind of what happens. People like, there's no way you can manipulate that, but you can. See, as you do like screw, it just gets like easier and easier and easier as you get to the end.
Yeah.
Then you go. Why are you unscrewing it all?
Why? I don't like it.
I've decided to take it off.
Further to the one.
But there's loads of holes in your van now. Why are you taking it off?
I'm taking it off, but now I can add the silicone to the back of my rail so it doesn't leak. You're lucky.
How do you do that?
With a glue gun.
Well, do it.
Mastic gun.
Hurry up, let's see it.
Maybe, cool.
Any hot tips here?
This is important. See what you've done.
It's a very dad thing to do.
Hot tips. Don't be afraid to put lots on. This has gone off.
So your screw was a stupid idea.
What's the stupid idea?
Glad that's on film. Oh mate, you're having a Monday. Like a tattooist. Can you do? Why did you do a little circle there?
Just so it seals around the hole and you don't get any water in the van, because that is bad.
I like the way you do a little full stop over here.
Otherwise you get like a weird tail.
Is this an exact science? It's kind of like you can always wipe it off with a bit of white spirit if you're
I think
a bit leaky.
it's better to have too much than it is to have too less. Too less? Too little. If you've got a little bit, tiny bit of squeeze out at the top, I'd say you've probably done it right. As long as your bead is thicker than this little step here, you know it's going to touch the van. You should have a good seal.
All right.
Yeah, and put a little smiley face if you want.
Hello. And hang on, if we put two and two together, you're now going to put that rail back on there because your holes are pre-drilled. You didn't want to do that to make it all gooey and messy first time round, huh?
Goo everywhere.
So you use
Lining it up.
and you got perfect holes. We're back in the room.
Back in the room. Take two.
Flip it, whip it. Is this tricky to do on your own, Josh?
Not too bad. I've done quite a few on my own. Probably easier to have a mate to hold it instead of holding the camera.
Hey! freaking imagine if you couldn't do this on your own.
You see, there's a tiny bit that comes out the top.
Is that perfect?
Yeah. That's obviously, you know you've got a seal then, and then you can just wipe that off.
Alright.
Or leave it, because from the top, you want it. I'm gonna wipe it off.
Because you're a detailsman. What are you doing now?
I like to just give them a check,
Why by hand?
because you can feel it when it's tight. If you use an electric or screwdriver, you can't. It will just go forever and rip the thread out. So use a trusty screwdriver.
You can manhandle.
Find the limits.
That's an end cap.
That's an end cap. There's two.
Symmetrical, huh?
Mirrored.
Handed.
Handed. You can fit these a couple of ways. Straight, stick and flex. Just glue them on, tape them on.
What's your preferred method?
I like to put a little hole in them and then screw them just like the rail.
So you don't lose them.
Same deal. Bit of glue behind them. And screw it on.
Nice. I missed the satisfying click. I guess it's not coming off now because there's glue everywhere. I'm just sure I can go with filming that.
Bit too much glue on that one.
Whee!
Whee!
All right, you're done.
Good on.
What does this product actually do?
What does it do? It fits your awning rail, inflatable awning, van awning one. I'm gonna say awning rail.
I've done that before.
Tarp awning.
Yeah. And you can have your Fiamma style girders on the side of it.
Yeah, it's great for pop tops because you don't have, because they cut your roof out. You don't have holes in your roof.
That's the main one, is not, it's like pop top people. And then the water, your awning is in this usual section here. And then the water that rains goes off here. Rather than down here into your campsite. Any other, anything else while we're here?
No. I'm just gonna
How long did that take us?
less than an hour. 45 minutes, half an hour.
Skill level.
Skill level.
There you go. We do supply these in raw. These are the new black ones. We do them in long wheelbase and short wheelbase. They fit on both sides of the van, and you can get them from the Stitches and Steel website. Sorry for the boring video, but if you could subscribe, all of that nonsense, and we're going to be doing more of these how to install our product videos. And apologies for the first one being a little bit boring. We'll make them more fun next time. Goodbye.